Hi, I'm Sharon Hilditch and I want to introduce you to my latest box of what I call pure magic. This product has been 2 years in development. It's come from another product that I had that I wanted to just get a little bit more power and strength. The wand by Crystal Clear is our new lifting and firming sonic technology applicator. The results are outstanding. And what I've done, I've coupled our pharma grade instantaneous action hyaluronic serum to give you that beautiful lifted, tenser feel, plumper, younger looking skin. But I've put it together with the wand, which is a sonic powered applicator, tiny roller ball, which I'll show you in a sec. Then you've got your neck device as well and your charging power unit. So let's see how this works. This is the wand, and then this is our magic hyaluronic serum, and then this is our neck device, and obviously that's your charging box. We're going to pop this over here like one I made earlier, and then I'm going to get my wand, my pharma grade. Literally what happens with this product, you apply only a tiny amount into the roller ball of the product. Okay, that's literally enough. Pop it on. You do want to see some product come out because it's going to roll on the skin. In this sonic wand, you have a small motor and then you have a chargeable battery. Now, the reason I've combined them both together is because where I wanted the treatment product to plump and hydrate and illuminate and brighten the skin, I want my sonic wand to literally send messages to the nerve endings that attach to the muscles in my face to lift and firm. So I'm having a double-pronged attack. I'm hydrating and plumping the skin from the outside with my pharma grade, but if I turn this little magic wand on, I have 2 preset levels, 1 for the eyes and 2 when you're like me need a little bit more work. And literally I'm going to apply my pharma grade serum or any serum with this sonic powered technology. You start on the neck and you roll up and then come to the jawline, and very much like the tonic, the pharma grade, you need to be holding quite firm under the cheekbone, because the cheekbone is the scaffold of the face. So if you get a lift under this cheekbone, you get a firmer looking jawline as well. So don't be frightened to be quite firm. Really come up under the cheekbone and then hold into the temple. So you can see what I'm doing. I'm doing slow motion. Up, up, right the way under that cheekbone, and then in the inner corner I'm going to roll out and I'm going to hold into the temple. I'm being quite firm. So literally what this is doing, it's sending tiny messages to all my muscle groups, telling them to lift and firm. So again, for under my eye, for eye bags, puffiness, start in the inner corner, slowly out and hold. Inner corner, slowly out and hold. Up onto my brow bone where you tend to get this crepey looking skin, I'm literally going to hold the wand. Now I have to say at this point, the technology in our wand is clinically proven to lift and firm the skin by 45% after 8 weeks of use. It softens lines and wrinkles by 27% after 8 weeks of use. However, you do get this instantaneous firming and lifting, because just like going to the gym, you're exercising the muscles in the skin. You're plumping the skin and hydrating the skin with the pharma grade. So the results are literally outstanding. Now hopefully it takes a couple, I normally say about 60 seconds, that you will get addicted. I'm going to turn it off so you can hear me. Hopefully you can see a difference now on this side. It should be firmer around here, more lifted on the jawline, cheekbones should be higher, the brow bone should be higher, and the skin and the quality should look more vibrant because I'm bringing a lot of blood flow to the surface of the skin, because it's just like going for a walk. That sonic technology is really stimulating everything. This product is perfect for literally anyone who's concerned about their skin, anyone who's concerned about maybe puffiness, even at a younger age. I have makeup artists. I have a young model who I delivered one personally to, who does my eyebrows the other day, and she's a part-time model. She's literally probably 29, and she was saying to me, "Oh, Sharon, I'm really concerned about under my eyes. They get really puffy. I'm concerned about the upper eyes. I'm starting to age." And she is addicted to it. So you can see the age group. I've had men come in and say to me, "Oh, I love this product," and you think, "Oh my God, they look like, you know, bodybuilders or firefighters." You wouldn't expect them to be wanting to use a product that can treat under the eye, but everyone has their own concerns. And with the wand, it's suitable for all skin types and all skin, shall we say, issues where you feel, oh God, the morning after the night before, or maybe the skin just looks really dull and dehydrated. You know, to my neighbour who's going to a wedding and wants her skin to look really good. It does offer each and everyone something of benefit. But more importantly, I hope you can see the difference that I've showed you here. So just to reiterate, you pop your product in here. You only need a tiny amount. Don't go overboard, it lasts for ages. There's 2 preset levels. Level 1 for around the eyes, and level 2 when you need a more dramatic result, shall I say. However, I use level 2 all of the time because I do need dramatic results. I've introduced a neck device. And the reason I've done the neck device as well, so you just pop the roller head off. If you're concerned, like I am, about my neck, so it's a sign of aging, and you know, it's the first thing I seem to look at when I look in the mirror. So I wanted to develop something where I could really get that firmer and lifted look. So go right to level 2, and starting on the base of the neck, work up. Can you see? And then I'm holding when I come to here, work up. And you've got quite a nice distance here to really get under the jawline. And then once you've come up, you're going to literally from the center, you're going to go out and you're going to hold by the ear. And hold for a couple of seconds and repeat the process. So this will give you a firmer looking neck. Onto the jawline. So you can see how I've managed to get all of the face, and extra, when you need a little bit of extra work on the neck, you can apply the neck applicator. Another little tip for anyone out there who's had a very busy night before and they've got a hangover, shall we say. This is perfect if it's been left in the fridge. You pop it in the fridge and then pop it onto your applicator and literally apply it under your eye. I swear it takes puffiness away and it gives you that instant wake up feeling. I've just done one side to show you that difference. It's important, I always feel, when you get the product home, best way to motivate yourself to use something every day is if you see a result. So hair back, try one side, stand back, look in the mirror and compare jawline, cheekbone, under the eye, eyebrow bone. And I promise, once you've done that, and you can see that difference and how the skin feels, it's fresh, it's plumper, it feels lovely and smooth and soft, it's hydrated, you literally become addicted to using the product. It's not a bottom drawer product, it's a way of applying your serum every day to get the very best results for your skin. Don't forget, the product is meant for any age group. If you're concerned about some issues with your skin, maybe it's dehydrated, it's just not looking as fresh and vibrant as it used to look, maybe you've got some lines of wrinkles developing or puffiness under the eye, or maybe it's just the morning after the night before, or you're my age and you're starting to see the effects of maybe some sun damage, elasticity on the skin, I hate my neck, upper brow bone, and you need that bit of support. I developed this product because I do all of the research and development at Crystal Clear. So we manufacture very high-tech skin anti-aging systems. I wanted to bring something that you could use at home, literally to take the salon tool home to get really great results. I hope you enjoy it. I'm sure you'll become addicted, but if you've got any queries whatsoever, drop me an email. Thank you.